Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cheesecake cupcakes. They're chocolate cupcakes with a cheesecake filling and chocolate chips, and it has a chocolate cream cheese frosting. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small heat-proof bowl, add in the chocolate chips and heat them either in the microwave or over a double boiler until they're melted. Then once it is melted, set it aside for now and let it cool down. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add the canola oil or vegetable oil, sugar, eggs. Now we're using 1.5 eggs, so to do that, add one of them into the large bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Then crack another one into a separate small bowl and beat it really well using a fork. Then add about half of it into the other bowl. And we'll use the other half of the egg in the cheesecake filling that we'll make later. And add in the vanilla extract and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then alternate adding the dry ingredients and water, so add 1/3 of the dry ingredients and whisk them in until they're almost combined but not fully incorporated. Then add in half of the water and whisk it in until it's almost combined. Then add another 1/3 of the dry ingredients, the rest of the water, and the rest of the dry ingredients, and add the melted chocolate along with it. And finish mixing it using a rubber spatula to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in, but don't overmix the batter. To make the cheesecake filling, in a medium bowl, add the softened cream cheese, sugar, egg, and add the other half that we had earlier, and salt. Then beat it using an electric mixer until they're well combined. It's okay if you can't get it completely smooth. Then line 2 muffin pans with paper liners, and then add a little bit of the batter into each paper liner. This is a really runny batter, so I'm using a batter dispenser to do it. Then scoop a little bit of the cheesecake filling into each one. Then top it off with more batter. And add some chocolate chips into each one. Then bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Then once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. While they're cooling, you can make the cream cheese frosting. In the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the softened cream cheese and softened butter. Then beat them on high speed for a few minutes until they're well whipped and smooth. Then sift the powdered sugar into a medium bowl. Then with the mixer running on a low speed, add half of the powdered sugar, 1 spoonful at a time. Then once half is added, beat it on high speed for 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, turn the speed down to low again. And continue adding the rest of the powdered sugar, again just 1 spoonful at a time. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then melt the chocolate chips either in the microwave or over a double boiler. Then let it cool to room temperature. You can speed up that process by putting it in the fridge. Then once it's cooled to room temperature, add it into the frosting. Then gently swirl it in to get a marble effect. Don't mix it in completely. Then add it into a piping bag filled with a star piping tip. Then frost each of the cupcakes once they've cooled completely. And that's how to make chocolate chip cheesecake cupcakes. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.